Good day, students. Today we will learn about mathematics. For today's lesson, we will discuss about greatest common factor or GCF using continuous division method. The objective of this lesson is that at the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to find the greatest common factor or GCF using continuous division method. First, we will define what is greatest common factor or GCF. GCF is the greatest number that is a factor of two or more numbers. There are ways on how to get a GCF of a numbers. First, by listing out the factors. Second, using factor trees. Third, using repeated division or what we call continuous division method, or in other term, a ladder method. We will focusing on these types of on how to get the GCF or the greatest common factor using continuous division method. For example, continuous division method or ladder method. Find the GCF of 8 and 12. Here, the given is 8 and 12. First step, put the two numbers inside the ladder. Here, this horizontal line is your ladder. Now, what is the smallest number that will divide evenly into both numbers, 8 and 12? So, find a factors like that will be used as your divisor, prime factors. So, you can use 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So the smallest number that can divide evenly in 8 and 12 is 2. That's why you use 2. 8 divide 2, the answer is 4. 12 divide 2 is 6. And 4 and 6 can be divided also by 2. 4 divide 2 is 2. 6 divide 2 is 3. Here, 2 and 3 cannot be divided either 2 or 3 because they are not evenly divided. So we will end up here because there are 2 and 3 are the prime numbers left. You can only multiply it by 1 or you can divide it by 1. Now, to get the GCF, or it is the product of all factors on the left of your ladder. So, look at here, on the left side of your ladder, there are two numbers, 2 and 2. You will multiply that one to get your GCF. Therefore, your GCF is 2 times 2. The answer is 4. 4 is your GCF. Understood? Another example, 160 and 144. We will get the GCF. First, divide it by 2. 160 divided 2 is 80. 144 divided 2 is 72. Now, 80 and 72 is divisible by 8. 80 divided 8 is 10. 72 divided 8 is 9. Here, 10 and 9 are the prime factors or the prime numbers that left. You cannot divide it by any prime factors or divisor because they cannot be evenly divided. So, we will end up here. Multiply 2 and 8, the answer is 16. Therefore, 16 is your GCF. Or, in another method, for example, Okay, 160 and 144 divided by 2. The answer is 80 and 72. Again, divided by 2, the answer is 40. 40, 72 divided 2, 36. Again, divided by 2, 20 and 18. Then divide by 2, 10 and 9. So as you can see, there are 4 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So your GCF is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So the same here. Your GCF is 16. Now, try this one. You can pause this video and copy the given and find the solution or the factors of the given using ladder method or continuous division method. Only 5 items. If you are done, you can check your answer here. So everyone, that's all about greatest common factor using continuous division method. Hope you learned something from our discussion today. Have a blessed and wonderful day to everyone. Thank you for learning.